Welcome to our overview of using Microsoft Excel to easily update a member directory on your existing website. And please note this is free of sale, and we'll explain to you in a bit how we propose to make our money. I'm going to start by showing you when you download the file, it's important that the file gets installed into a directory named Chamber Directory. And here's our file memlist.xlsx. Also, XLS is fine too if you've got an earlier version of Microsoft, um, which it would be required for this program to have Microsoft Office. Now, this file right here, this actually is these other three files that you see will be given to you at a later time, or if you want to try it, we'll remote in and install these for you. Reason being, this is the web page script, a simple one-line command that goes on, you insert onto your directory page. And when you publish, voila, you will see your member directory. And I'll show you those at the end of this video. These are important because these are configured. If you notice right here, this is the name of the folder that it's going to. This would be your city and state, and you would have a specific folder on our FTP secure server, which is linked to the iframe on your website. These two files are simply used, and I'll show you a shortcut here shortly, to use a file transfer protocol to upload the memlist file to our secure FTP server on the folder anytime you update the data. Now, looking at the memlist file, when I open that, and it's important that you use this file. This is the only file at work. It's actually configured for this. All you need to do is control all the data. The position and the ID are not that important, but it's nice to keep them there. Position ID is we actually, when you upload the directory, the sort order, anytime you update it will change, and it'll be random, so nobody's guaranteed position number one. And you can have up to 5 categories per member. Many chambers charge a little extra. That's some money maybe you can make. Like I said, this is free for you. The organization name, the mailing address, city, state, and zip. This could be the physical too. Whatever address you want up there. If they have a fax number, phone number, email, website, and we'll keep going over here. Now, this business description can be very large, but they can only have a business description, and I'll explain that right now. So if we jump over here, if they have a picture, they then can have a business description. Now, you can put a business description in here. It just won't go to the website if they don't have a picture. This is our incentive to get your members to pay $20 a year to put their picture up on the directory, and that's what we get. And but we do have a max. Anything over 40 pictures, the organization, can keep that money. Okay, then we got the primary contact email. They can have up to 5 contacts that show up on the website. Map will always be true. Now, if the map, which uses their address by default, does not work, find their map using Google Maps or something and just copy the URL into this field. Then it forces that. This is member since, how long. This is a link that if they have a picture, perhaps they want, if someone clicks that picture, to go to a different page on their website. We do not use these two right here. They can have a coupon. You can put a coupon description here. If they have a coupon description, it will show up on the website, and they can print a coupon out. You can have an expiration date that it's only good for so long. Home org is not used right now. Then they can have a Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, and blog URL. These are definitions. They're 0 or 1s for how you want, the picture aligned, left, right, text wrap, yes or no. Also, if they have a YouTube uh, video, they can have a YouTube URL up there, and you can get the embedded code from that on the internet site. And this is just our image that we use for a coupon, which you will always be the same for everybody. But here's a note to also make. If they buy the picture, they get more than just a picture. They get all these social networking shortcuts, if they have them, to help people go there. So for $20 a year, they get a picture, they get a business description, which can be up to, the size of that is dependent on the organization. You have to define it, because the larger the description, the larger their listing. But then they also get all of these links. So they get more than just a picture for $20 a year. And like I said, you can have the links here, but if there is not a file name here, it will not go to the website. And another thing to point out, anybody with a picture is the first group. The first group is random pictures, then it's random no pictures. And so it's very easy to maintain this, because you can store it, of course, in Excel, and just go down, oh, they changed their address. Or you can just scroll down to the bottom. And this is just sample data that we have on ours. And just add somebody new. Very important to note, you must have at least one category. Otherwise, the directory search function doesn't know what you're looking for. And it won't get uploaded. So make sure you got a category and org name. Pretty much that's all you need. So I'm now going to close this file. I'll have to do that. And next, there is this member pics. We recommend, now it'll be empty, but it's more for you to have a folder here so that you can maintain those pictures. Because we also do the work for your pictures for you. Your member wants a picture uploaded, you email it to us, we format it and upload it, and then give you instructions, and all you really do is need to put a picture file name in there. But we send you the picture back so you have a copy of it. So very simple and easy to use. So now I'm going to, and I'm going to actually show you this. I'm going to minimize this. Here's the desktop. And you'll see here's a shortcut to my member directory list. And then update the online directory. All you got to do is double click this. And it will open that up. You have just changed your member directory online that fast. And so anytime you add a new member, add it to the member directory list, click update online. And it's up there, and your members now have something to be happy about. Next, I'll show you here. I have it open. Here is my website right here in design mode. I use GoDaddy. You probably have something else, and maybe have a member that helps you out with your website. But just to show you, all you have to do, and this is a directory page, this is a sample member directory using MS Excel, and this is all the stuff, by the way, that you just saw in that Excel file. And also, notice here is the HTML line of code, the custom code you just inserted on this page. When some are at the top and they go insert HTML code. But all you do is insert that code, and again, I'll remind you that this will have a folder with your city and state in it. Then, of course, and this is actually, shows you what your directory will look like. And let me cover this a little bit. Notice your visitors can search by a category, or they can search by a keyword. They can sort items per page, it's 10, 25, 50, or all. and they can go next page, whatnot, but pretty much they can just scroll up and down. But notice the pictures are first, and this is in my design mode, so it's actually I'd have to go to the website to look at this, the website itself. But also one thing to note is notice the colors here between odd and even records. They're a different color. We can customize that color for your website to match, or you tell us what color you want it to be. Now, of course, I'm going to show you one other directory. Here's our online website, mymemberdata.com, and this is actually a real directory. This is again, this is actually a real client right now, and please, we have folks references, you can call and they'll gladly tell you that we are honest people. But basically, if you wanted to view, in this case it was Warrensburg, Missouri, and I can actually go to their website and look at their member directory. This is actually Warrensburg Chamber. Now this is something we can think about too down the road. Notice they've got shop, stay, military discounts, other discounts, gift certificates, and member to member. You can have the same thing too. All it's going to mean is you're going to have a different folder under chamber directories. The chamber directory will be the main one, but you might want to have chamber directory lodging only if you wanted to do that for your website. But to get started simple, we would recommend, and that's what we're doing, is just simply download the file, and if you want to get started, just give us a call, email us, we'll send you the files, and if you want us to help, we can remote in with remote connection software. So that's pretty much it. It's a pretty easy thing to do. It can really make your website look nice, and it may even get you more hits if you can get out to the town, that hey, we've got a directory and it's easy to find what you're looking for. And notice here that where the picture is, here's looking at 360 media here, and here everybody gets a click here for website, but notice they've got a Facebook link too, but they can have Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram. But also notice their picture is right here, and this is their business description. If the picture is more than half the size of this, and you can adjust the width of this directory, it is in the HTML line of code, but we can help you with that too as well. But this business description, it can be the equivalent of 30 pages of Microsoft Word, which would be very long here. So you really want to kind of limit that. And I do have some clients that will actually charge, they'll give members like a 50-word, 100-word, but maybe charge them an extra $10 for 200 words, give them a little larger listing. So anyway, that ends the video. Thank you so much for watching. And again, in the information we sent you is my number and our website. And again, of course, you can always go to home here, and there is our email and our phone number right there. Okay, and thank you very much for watching.